Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to properly clean croaker fish from start to finish at home. I'll show you the process of prepping it perfectly for cooking. And without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Here I have my bag of frozen fish and I'll proceed to defrost the fish. This is the method I use for defrosting my fish. I simply place it in my kitchen sink and then I fill the sink up with water. So I allow the fish to stay in the water for as long as needed till it is soft enough. After that, it's time to cut. So this is one of the benefits of having omorogun in your kitchen. Apart from using it to make fufu, eba, amala, you can also use it as a platform when cutting your fish, just as you can see here in this video. So don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and of course subscribe to this channel because I have so many recipes on how to clean different types of fish in this channel. It's time to descale the fish, and to do this I'll simply run my knife through the skin of the fish while pulling out any scale that I encounter. This process is important because leaving the scale on croaker fish would hinder the taste of the fish after cooking. And then I'll proceed to cut the fin off the fish. The fin can be removed from the fish with a kitchen scissors, or you can also use a knife. Now I'm using a kitchen scissors, but I'll also show you how to use your knife to remove the fin from the fish. So sit back, relax, and trust this process. It's time to clean the fish head, and this is how to remove the fin with your knife. I'll simply pull the fin back while putting my knife behind this, then I'll twist it sharply to the other side, and that's it. I have been able to remove it from the root. Let's do it again. I'll place the fin in front of the knife and then twist the knife back sharply, and it's been pulled out right from the root. So I'll go ahead to remove the scale from the fish head as well, because the fish head is part of the fish. So yes, it has scales as well. And I'll soon be showing you how to properly gut the fish. That's to remove the gill from the fish and the fish insides. So it's time to remove the gill. With my thumb, I'll pull open the fish head to reveal the gill. Now I get my knife and I'll cut through it with my knife just so that it can be separated nicely, enough for me to pull out the gill. As you can see, I have been able to cut it open now. I'll pull it apart a bit. Then with my hand, I'll pull out the gill. And that's it. The gill has been removed. So now it's time to clean every other part of the fish head to ensure that it's nice and clean. I'll remove all the insides with a knife and also rinse it thoroughly with my water. This method is simple, it's beginner friendly, and it keeps your fish ready for frying, grilling, or baking. This is a simple method to help you prepare your fish in a neat and safe manner. So now that we're done with the first step in cleaning, it's time for the second step. But before then, I'll remove all the gills and fins and fish insides from inside the sink first. Then I'll fill the sink up again with fresh clean water. I'll put the fish back into the sink, and this second cleaning is like a follow-up cleaning to ensure that everything is nice and prepped well for cooking. If you'd like to watch a video of how to clean macrofish, I have that video here on this channel. All you need to do is to visit my page and you have access to a wide range of easy, beginner friendly videos that will show you how to cook different meals and of course how to clean fish. So now that the second cleaning is done, it's time for the final cleaning. Into my sink, I'll pour the dishwashing liquid that I have in my kitchen. Then I'll go ahead to wash everything properly. Why? Because I don't want my sink smelling fish. That's how we say it in Nigeria. Okay, so I'll wash every part of the sink. I'll give it a thorough wash, and of course I'll rinse it down. Now I've come towards the end of the video, and I like to say this: if you've not liked this video, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment and share this video, and of course subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. Till I post my next video. Bye.